Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power 19 minus 2 power 18 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2 power 19 we can write it as 2 power 18 plus 1 minus 2 power 18. According to exponent rule, x power m plus n we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 2 power 18 times 2 power 1 minus 2 power 18. So I can take 2 power 18 as common. So 2 power 1 minus 1. So 2 power 18 times 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 power 18. So 18 we can write it as 9 times 2. So according to exponent rule, a power m times n, we can write it as a power m power n or a power n power n. So it becomes 2 power 9 power 2. And 2 power 9 is equals to 512 whole power 2. 512 we can write it as 500 plus 12 whole power 2. So here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Where a is 500, so 500 square plus 12 square plus 2 times 500 times 12. So 500 square is 25, 25000 plus 12 square is 144. 500 is 1000, 12 times is 12,000. So 25000 plus 12000 plus 144 is equals to 262144. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay